Hi everyone! Today I will teach you how to modify the original car screen on the Chevrolet Malibu. First, we use tools to pry open the buckles of the silver decorative strip and remove the decorative strip. Next, we unscrew the screws that secure the button panel. Then unscrew the screws that fix the original car screen. Similarly, unscrew the 4 screws fixing the double flash panel. Now we take out the double flash panel. No need to pull out the plug. Then remove the air conditioner button panel and unplug the plug on the back of it. Then remove the volume button panel and unplug the plug on the back as well. Now we unscrew the 4 screws that fix the original car main unit and remove the main unit. Finally, the original car screen is removed and the disassembly is completed. Now we start connecting the wires. This is a GPS antenna. This is a radio antenna. This is a USB transmission cable. This is the original car USB adapter cable. This is the video input cable. This is an RCA audio cable. Now we connect the power cord to the canvas box. Then connect the canvas to the car radio. Then connect the screen power plug to the car radio. Now connect the original car radio plug. Then connect the original car USB. Finally, connect the original car's power plug. After everything is connected, install the car screen and fix the 4 screws. Now reconnect the air conditioner plug and install the air conditioner button panel. Then reinstall and fix the double flash button panel. Finally, we install the silver decorative strip and the installation was completed. Before we use it for the first time, we need to set up canvas so that we can use the functions supported by the original car. Support synchronous display of air conditioning information. Support steering wheel buttons to adjust car radio volume switching, etc. Support door reminder. Support original vehicle OnStar rescue. It also has many other functions and supports video playback. Support radio to automatically search for local radio stations. Support local or other software online music. Sound can be adjusted by DSP. Support local maps or other online maps. Support Bluetooth phone. Support wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. You can use the voice assistant here, make calls, listen to songs. Use online maps and other functions on your mobile phone. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, you can click and follow.